Today we're with Bob and Amy. We're going to see some elk.
Hopefully.
We hope to.
We hope to see. We're not in red. We're in the Bob's Arcadia. And we're in Elk Country.
Sometimes we'd come up and see one or two.
Mhm.
Come up and see 100 or 200.
We're getting close.
Seriously. Well, that's the guy said that we were talking to in one of the Outlook buildings. He said that to us.
Yeah.
Like, we could just sit here 10 minutes and there's like 10 of them out here. See, there's our elk right there. See, I told you we'd see one.
Oh, there's our elk right there.
Right there.
Oh, that's as close we're gonna get to see an elk. I can tell.
Don't say that.
Oh.
Jinx
Don't
it.
jinx
Oh.
us. If we don't
Okay.
see any, it's John's fault.
All right.
Just blame John anyway.
Yes. Okay, this is number 7, the 7th time we've been here, and we'll see what's happening. It doesn't look promising, but we'll see what's going to happen. Mm-hmm. Well, they said there's nothing. Not a thing. They're out early this morning, but nothing. Okay, we're all going to cross that bridge. All at once. We're all going to cross the bridge.
I will go across my future.
Come on. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Ah! Who's next? Yeah, Bob, stay over there. And if you fall in, we want the keys over there.
It's not already happening.
Already, look at that. Woo!
Oh,
Come on. Wow. It's not that deep.
I gotta smack you.
You did it.
You wait till I get on dry land, girl. I swear to God.
No, you gotta go back. We can't stay in the cabin all night.
Oh, yeah.
That nice little cabin out
I thought I seen a street sign at the beginning of this.
What, that's a
Good
cabin
job.
for rent? Holy shit,
They-
did you ever see it out here?
There's a cabin out here. Look.
Now back.
Look at that cabin.
You sure about
See,
that?
that's coming off of the post there too. Wonder if
Yeah.
the porcupine.
The porcupine stuff.
Bears up above us in the tree.
Okay, let's go back.
Hey, we're going to...
Oh, we're going to the cabin? No, we're not going. Yeah, I think someone lives here. Oh. The things we do to get videos. I haven't seen any elk, so what the hell? We'll also have some other fun. Okay, let's cut the cables. The bunhole.
Guys, you gotta piss your pants.
No adding extra water to the stream.
Nope, you're not gonna cross our legs. Here comes somebody. Oh shit, they're gonna see us idiots on this little boat.
We're doing it.
I'm the king of the world.
I said, yay! You did it! Yay! You did it! Yay!
Yay!
You know what? Y'all just sit back for a second. You go across it. You fall it, I'm just gonna laugh.
Don't bounce on it and make it weak
What are you,
for us.
stupid?
Make it weak for us.
That's what he's trying.
Oh, the goat on the Billy Goat drop on the bridge.
There's a troll in there.
Come on, sister.
I'm gonna wait till he gets across first because I don't trust him.
He's gonna shake it
Bow-legged
on this
bastard.
Wait a minute, I gotta go across. I can watch him.
Oh yeah, you can go across all right.
Well, he's gonna get started.
Go this time.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that.
What?
You get us from that end. You just
Go ahead.
Oh, all right, let's go. You stand on one side. Oh, yeah, you gotta make me go first. It's not already happening. Already?
Not that deep. I thought I seen a street sign at the beginning of this.
that's coming off of the coast.
You're fine, so.
The bear's up above us in the tree.
Okay, let's go back. Yeah, I think someone lives here.
They'll piss themselves.
I will walk through water like the Lord did. You can cross with the stone.
The things we do to get videos. I haven't seen any elk, so what the hell? We'll also have some other fun. Okay, let's cut the cables.
Hey, Jill, here's my pocket knife. Get down here and scare the hell out of them when they come back.
Hold it.
Over the river and through the yeah. Yeah, you got something strong enough that's gonna clip that there? There's a hole. There's a hole you can see. Yeah, I'm talking in the middle of this. I'm trying to crack the damn thing.
The what do you call it?
The bung hole. The bung hole.
The butthole.
What?
Wrong dance. Okay, this is the sound. I just skipped through my lyrics.
You guys gonna piss your pants?
No adding extra water to the stream.
No, you're not gonna cross our legs.
Here comes somebody.
Oh shit, they're gonna see us idiots on this gold post.
The knuckle. The knuckle. Oh my goodness. Yay, we're doing it.
You can do it.
Conquered. Yay.
I'm the king of the world.
I said, yay, you did it. Yay. You did it. Yay.
I don't know how to shut it off now.
You know why?
I thought I seen a post number 565. It looks like there might have been another number, but it's missing. Okay. I hope they pick me up. Hey, what about me? Watch them get stuck, and I'm not pushing. Well, we finally got to see some elk, but it's kind of late. What's it? It's like after sunset. We got 5:30, and it's very grainy. Yeah. There's 1, 2, and there's 2 laying down. Yeah, we get to see 4 elk. Woo! But what a beautiful sunset. Look at that. Well, I don't know if you can see them, but there's like 5 or 6 more coming up. 1. It's hard to see with this camera, I mean, because it's so dark. And it's pixely.
Yes, he does.
Huh.
When they just pulled him down.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, there's some more coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I count 7 coming up plus the 5 over here. Huh. I got his spotlight out. I gotta follow his spotlight. There's a couple there. Where's he going? Tell him to stop moving his spotlight. There they are. See him?
One down further, but there's more.
Trying to follow his spotlight. I can't zoom in on him because yeah, too pixely. Quite a bit. I'm trying to follow the guy with the spotlight, but all right. Guy said he sees 10, but I think we counted more than that.